Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to do jello with fruit. So I'm going to do two jellos. I'm going to do strawberry and orange. So we're going to start off with strawberry. So we're going to need, this is 1 cup of boiling water, but this is an easier way on how to do it just using the microwave. So what you're going to need is 2 containers if you're doing 2 jello packs, can of fruit, measuring cup, and the lids. So what you're going to start off with is you're going to get a cup of water. Sorry, yeah, our water's in here. So a cup of water is almost there. Okay, so a cup of water. There. So you're going to put a cup of water in the first container. And now we are going to go microwave it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm going to put it for 2 minutes, 30 seconds. This microwave is 1,100 watts, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 1,100 watts. So it depends on what kind. Depends on what kind of. Well, how much depends on what kind of. How much your voltage is on the microwave. Okay. So now we're gonna get the other one ready. While that's cooking. We are going to get another cup of water. And pour it in the second container. I'm going to go and put it in the microwave. Okay, we still have a minute and 26 seconds, so we're going to go get our next step, which is we need cold water that we are going to add to the jello. So we need 1 more cup of water. And this time we're not going to microwave it, we're just going to keep it cold. Now we're going to go check on our jello. It should be almost done. "45 seconds left." So this is the orange container for the orange that we're going to put in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And the water in here, let's see if it's hot enough. Put it in some more. Just give it for those 33 seconds. The water in here, we're going to put the strawberry in and add cold water. Oh, first we're going to mix it so it can dissolve. And then we are going to add the cold water and then add the fruit. We are only using 1 can, which means we're going to have to half the fruit for both things. And I'm going to stop this at 10 seconds. So you could keep it going longer, but this is already getting pretty hot, so I think it's okay. As you can see, you can see the little bubbles. So yeah, so this is really hot. I forgot about this one. So we're gonna put this cold water in there for 2 minutes, 30 seconds. We're gonna take this is very hot water, very hot. And we're going to add the strawberry jello. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say. You're going to need a wooden spoon also, or any type of spoon. But I have a wooden spoon right here. And you're going to Mix it until all the jello dissolves and it's just water, see? You can kind of smell it.
Mm-hmm.
How it would smell. Make it a little bit more.
And you could hear still the grindiness on the bottom.
Yeah, so you can see at the bottom, it's red. And does that look liquid to you? That looks pretty dissolved, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna add the cold water, which is 1 cup, into the other hot water. It's pretty warm now. I'm just gonna give it a quick mix. And now we're gonna put the can of fruits. This is tropical fruit salad. I'm gonna open it up. And pour it all in there. Pour the juice in there. In one. Pour the juice in one, so kind of drain it out. Not all the juice has to go in. And put the fruit in the rest. In another bowl. See, there's still juice in there. That's okay. Now we're going to add about half of the fruit. That's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
You think that's enough? Or
It's good.
That's half.
Yeah.
And we're going to put the top on. And we're going to take it to the fridge, and it should refrigerate for about 4 to 6 hours. So yeah, that's kind of a long time. Put some little fruits in there. And, oh, our other jello, our other hot water is done. You can see it's very hot. You can see the little bubbles like it's about to boil. And time to switch camera, people.